Hey there. Feeling emotional or torn about ditching your old scale? Don't. This thing is so yesterday. In fact, you should feel happy because there's an even better one. And it's more than just a scale. It's the newly optimized seca scaleupline. Say hello, seca. Look at it. Perfectly engineered and ergonomically designed. Elegant. Gosh, ain't it also a tough one? Not just well built, but graceful and always ready for use, so you can do what you do best. Your job. The newly optimized seca scaleupline nearly floats like a butterfly and sets new marks in mobility. Check out these larger wheels. Effortless, isn't it? And can run a marathon on its rechargeable mobile battery. Life just got easier. The 21st century has new demands and calls for more. Today, it's time for seca scaleupline and its direct EMR-Validated integration at the push of a button. A digital height rod providing precision measurement right on display. Feels more today, doesn't it? Sorry, it gets a little dirty for a moment, but we wanted to do away with wasting time on cleaning. Instead, together with nursing professionals, we developed a design that saves everyone's time with surfaces that are easier to manage. Now, doesn't that sound heavenly? One more thing. Did I mention its extra support? We recognize that today, an integrated handrail should provide extra assistance and never obstruct your work. So things get a little easier for you and your patients. It's time to welcome the next addition to your facility. She's everything you wish for and more. Heck, she's practically your new best friend. Welcome our newly optimized seca scaleupline and find out more benefits for your department at Indeed, a companionship built to last.